Hello everyone, I'm Kenji. This is Wagashi. Today, I'm going to introduce to a special kind of Japanese sweet called Joyo Manju. Have you ever seen little round bang? White, soft, like a cloud. They might look simple, but it has full of history, craftsmanship, and flavor. Joyo Manju is made from just few natural ingredients: Japanese yam, sugar, and Joyo-ko. It's a fine rice flour. The filling is usually smooth, sweet bean paste. This type of manju is often used in formal occasions in Japan, like wedding and tea ceremony, or as elegant gift. It's a symbol of purity and celebration. You can find them today at Wagashi shop all across Japan. Some even sell them online, so you might be able to try them no matter where you live. So, I'll show you how to make Joyo Manju now. Let's go! How was it? It's simple, right? You can enjoy with green tea or black tea. It goes well with tea. I'm gonna show you more videos of making sweets. So hit like and subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you next time. またね